everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Self Study with Navi. So this is the video 14 time management tips. So this is the most requested video and it's going to be change your life if you will apply these tips on your life. So without any further ado, let's get started. The number one tip from these 14 is set up goals and plan your day. This is the most important thing which every student must do, because if you all write your goals in a day what you have to do, it will make you productive and effective to your studies. What you will do, you have to just write like you have to solve today 20 sums or 10 sums of math. You can write which chapter in how much things. Okay, but you have to write full, describe it, not just small points. Okay, so this is the first step, which is set up goals, or you can say plan your day. So number second is set limits and reminders. Now what you have written, you have planned your day, or you can say set up goals. What you have to do now, you can take many apps. I am using Focus to do, Pomodoro. You can use Study Bunny, Forest app. For what? To set the limits or the timings at how much time I have completed this task. And what you have to do, you have to just comment down me that which app you use for the limits and the reminders. I hope now you can understand. Now you can also see how many time you can just change. You can set 25 times, 25 minutes, 20 minutes. It's up to you. So this is the second tip. Number 3 tip is have a clock visibly placed in front of you. This is the most important tip. If you have not set the limits and reminder, then clock should be in front of you. So number 4 tip is keep a peaceful place. You can say close the door. Means your place where you are studying should be peaceful. No sounds or distractions should be there. And if you're having a separate room, just close the door from that room, that you can just get a peaceful place. Number 5 tip is make a habit to say no. What I'm doing now, I'm just planning my day and side by side my mom called me. So what I do, you can say no. Not no, you can say I will just come in 5 minutes. So this is the very effective tip, and your mother will also be happy that my child is studying. So after 5 minutes he or she will come. So this is the most important tip. Whenever anyone call you, but just say after 5 minutes or how much time you want. Okay. So our next tip is tip 6. Do not keep distractions away. You will see what she is saying. You will not keep the distraction away. You can just close the distraction. I hope you all understand. You have to just off the phone. If it's your phone, then you can off it. If your mother's and you are using, then give it to your mother. Okay. So next tip is tip number 7. Always listen study music while doing work. This is the most effective tip, and I always use these things when I learn something, when I write something. This makes you happy. You can see there are so many study musics. You can just type focus concentration music, focus music, deep work music. There are many type of musics. You can just type and just listen to them. This tip is most important. Don't do multitasking, because many of the students do it. They are watching TV and doing their work. So just remember it. Tip 9 is take regular breaks. Now what I'm doing in the breaks, I just walk around, or you can say greenery, and it can also affect your eyes, because it will make your eyes very clear. So next tip is 10. Arrange your desk. And if you are having a messy desk, then you will not be much productive, because if you are seeing this messy desk, you are not able to focus. So what you have to do, you have to just clean it in you can see at night before sleeping. So what it will make it productive. Next tip is write down time wasters. This is the most important tip. And if you are watching Simran Sani, she has also told that you have to write time wasters, and you have to check day by day that how much time you have wasted on it. Okay. So number 12 tip is write tomorrow to-do list. Means आपने कल क्या करना है वो आप आज ही लिखोगे. ठीक है. मैं लिख रही हूँ 6 से 7 PM के बीच में, but you can write when you have gone to sleep, just 5 to 10 minutes first, so that you can get an idea that tomorrow आपको क्या करना है, कल आपको क्या करना है. I hope you can understand this. This is also a very important tip. and you can just keep the things, or you can say make a good to-do list, so that you can be effective and productive tomorrow. But what thing, you have to not just write it, you have to follow it also, and you have to give a tick on it. So our next number tip is टिप नंबर 13, रिवाइज द नोट्स एट एंड। मीन्स ये मैं आपको क्या करना है, जितने भी आपने नोट्स बनाए हैं, ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक लिमिट ले लेनी है कि रोज़ रात को जब आप सोने लगो 2 नोट्स जो आपने बनाए हैं वो आपको पढ़ने ही पढ़ने हैं, ताकि वो जो आपके माइंड में है ना, वो माइंड में रहें। जो नोट्स आपने बनाए वो क्या रहे, आपके माइंड में रहें और आप भूलो भी ना। आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट। नेक्स्ट इज ऑलवेज गिव रिवॉर्ड टू योर सेल्फ। देखो अब मैंने क्या कर लिया, आई हैव जस्ट डन माई वर्क, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग मी रिवॉर्ड, आई एम ईटिंग मिल्क बिकीज. So these are the tips which I follow, and I hope you will also follow it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.